What if I took a swim in a typical spent nuclear fuel pool? Would I need to dive to actually experience a fatal amount of radiation? For the kinds of radiation coming off of spent nuclear fuel, every 7 centimeters of water cuts the amount of radiation in half. This absorption means that 2 meters away from the fuel, there's a billionth as much radiation as directly adjacent to it, and 2 meters farther away than that, there is a billionth again as much. Swimming to the bottom, touching your elbows to a fresh fuel canister, and then immediately swimming back up could be enough to kill you. Yet outside the safe dose boundary, you could swim around as long as you wanted. The dose from the rods would be less than the normal background dose of radiation you get from cosmic rays and stuff walking around. If there's corrosion in the spent fuel rod casings, there might be some fission products in the water. Spent fuel facilities generally do a pretty good job of keeping the water clean, but it's radioactive enough that it wouldn't be legal to sell it as bottled water. We know spent fuel pools can be safe-ish to swim in because they're routinely serviced by human divers. However, these divers do have to be careful. On August 31st, 2010, a diver was servicing the spent fuel pool at the Leibstadt nuclear reactor in Switzerland. He spotted an unidentified length of tubing at the bottom of the pool and asked his supervisor what to do. He was told to put it in his tool basket, which he did. Due to bubble noise in the pool, he didn't hear his radiation alarm. The object turned out to be a piece of protective tubing from a radiation monitor in the reactor core, made highly radioactive by neutron flux. As it was, the water protected him, and only his hand, which is a body part more resistant to radiation than the delicate internal organs, received a heavy dose. So as far as swimming safety goes, the bottom line is that you'd probably be okay as long as you didn't dive to the bottom or pick up anything strange or drink too much of the water.